Expressing love on Valentine's Day can be a beautiful and meaningful gesture. Here are some tips to help you convey your feelings to someone special. Personalized gifts. Consider giving a thoughtful and personalized gift that reflects their interest or a shared memory. It could be a custom piece of art, a photo album, or even a handwritten letter expressing your feelings. Plan a special date. Organize a romantic date tailored to your partner's preferences. It could be a home-cooked meal, a picnic, or a surprise outing to their favorite place. The effort you put into planning will show your love and consideration. Express yourself in writing. Write a heartfelt letter or a poem expressing your love and gratitude. Share specific reasons why you appreciate and love them. A handwritten note adds a personal touch that can be cherished. Create a memory jar. Fill a jar with notes, each containing a cherished memory or a reason why you love your partner. It's a sweet and sentimental gift that they can revisit whenever they need a pick-me-up. Cook a special meal. If you enjoy cooking, prepare a special meal for your loved one. Consider their favorite dishes, or try cooking something new together. Sharing a meal you've prepared adds a personal touch to the celebration. Surprise acts of kindness. Throughout the day, surprise your partner with small acts of kindness. It could be leaving sweet notes around the house, sending surprise texts, or preparing a surprise breakfast in bed. Quality time. Dedicate quality time to your partner on Valentine's Day. Put away distractions and focus on each other. Whether it's watching a movie, taking a walk, or playing games together, the time spent together is what matters most. Create a playlist. Compile a playlist of songs that hold special meaning for both of you, or that convey your feelings. Play it during your time together, or share it as a gift. Plan a romantic getaway. If possible, plan a short getaway or a day trip to a place you both enjoy. It could be a beach, a cozy cabin, or a scenic spot. A change of scenery can make the day even more memorable. Express gratitude. Take time to express your gratitude for having your partner in your life. Acknowledge the positive impact they've had on you and express your love and appreciation. Remember, the most important thing is to be sincere and thoughtful in your gestures. Tailor your expressions of love to your partner's preferences and enjoy the celebration together.